Assalamu alaikum. Planets of solar system. Planets of solar system are 9. To remember these, there is trick. You must have to remember the sentence. My very easy method just speeds up planets' name. My start with M for Mercury. Very start with V for Venus. Easy start with E for Earth. Method start with M for Mars. Just start with J for Jupiter. Speeds start with S for Saturn. Up start with U for Uranus. Planets start with P for Pluto. And names start with N for Neptune. Let's discuss some characteristics of the planets. Mercury, it is the closest to Sun or smallest. Jupiter, it is the largest planet. Venus, it is the hottest planet. Mars, it is second coldest. Pluto, it's second smallest. And Uranus, it coldest planet.